Whether you're looking for your first home, second home or an investment property, the Ellis Edge team will give you the edge with selling or buying a home today. We are a part of the top 20 agents in 2017. Call us for all your real estate needs. Looking for space? This is the house for you. Located on a cul-de-sac with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Huge floor plan, great for entertaining, featuring a large kitchen with granite countertops and extra large pantry, low maintenance laminate and tile flooring in living areas and wet areas, with burning fireplace in the living area. Master bedroom is enormous with room for a sitting area or extra office space. Large master bath, Westers and her walk-in closets, separate garden tub and shower, with private toilet room. Storage building in backyard with air conditioner.